welcome back to my channel, Fashion Finds of All Kinds. On this channel, we talk about fashion on a budget, travel, and weight loss. Today, I'm going to get right into it. We have an unboxing. It's a Gucci slipper, and I am so in love with this shoe, y'all. I'm so in love. So I'm going to unboxing because I'm also going to be doing a what I'm wearing to Atlanta. I leave Wednesday. I'm going to celebrate a birthday. I have a lot to show you all. And I will be vlogging now. So while I'm there, I want to go on and get into this unboxing with you all. This is a men's slipper, but let me tell you, I love it. Okay, I like it. I love it on my feet. I love how it feels, and I just didn't like any other women's slippers that Gucci had to offer. So when I saw these on Instagram, I was like, okay, these are the ones that I need, and these are the ones that I'm going to get. So let's go ahead and open these up. Let's start with the box. Gucci is really doing it with their boxes, and the texture. I mean, look at it. I mean, let the light shine on it, okay? Look at the detail on there. I mean, it's just amazing, okay? I almost look like wallpaper, okay? These are the Gigi slippers. I got my computer up because I'm on my phone. I'm not using my camera today because y'all, I'm still having problems with uploading these clips from my Cabo trip, but I did find somebody that says that they can convert these clips. So these are the men's slippers with the horse bit on it. Now y'all know that the horse bit is like signature for Gucci, okay? Besides their Gigi monogram. So y'all, here they go. Y'all, look at it. Look at that horse bit on there. I mean, it is given, okay? I mean, it is a statement shoe, okay? It is a statement, all right? Y'all, I'm just speechless. When I saw them on Instagram, I was like, okay. These shoes right here, they are everything. Okay, so like I said, these are a men's slippers. So I had to go down a size, I mean like a lot, okay? So let me open up the other one. And this is the other shoe. The tissue on the inside, so it won't lose its shape. The round part, it won't lose its shape and it won't get bent up around here at the top. But these slippers are it, okay? Now, in regards to the sizing, I had to go down a size. I'm usually a women's 8, 8.5. So I actually went down to a men's size 6. Now I could have done a 5.5. I was actually thinking about returning these, but then when I called Gucci, they didn't have them in store and they didn't have them in stock online. So the rep told me that it was going to be about 2 weeks. I was like, oh, I can't wait 2 weeks because I want to take these to Atlanta with me. So I was like, okay, let me go on and just keep these and style them up and see how they look. So I did that, and I put on a pair of socks with them. Just know that they still here with me, okay? So I'm guessing the reason why these shoes are not in stock in that size because it's a special size. I mean, what man's gonna have a 5.5 shoe size? I mean, he gonna be like 2 feet tall. I mean, okay. So I'm guessing that's the reason why they don't have this size in stock and it's not ready for purchase. Okay. So y'all get the 5.5 or the 6, whichever one suits you best, but I ended up sticking with the 6 size, men's 6. So I am going to style this up for you all real quick. Actually, I have planned on taking this outfit with me to Atlanta, so I want to kind of show you all how it looks on. Oh, wait a minute. And it came with this little duffel bag, this little tote, which you all can keep, and the which is good for traveling. 2 dust bags. Okay. Sometimes they come with 1, sometimes they come with 2, but I'm glad they came with 2. So the dust bags are good for traveling, and these will be traveling with me, and they will not be in my check baggage. Okay. So let me get into okay. So these slippers retail at $620. Yes. I don't usually buy my items, my luxury higher end items at full price, but the reason why I did is because I wanted them. Okay, I don't want to wait, and these are fairly new, so I'm sure the resale market doesn't have these on their sites. These are fairly new. I'm trying to see when did they come out. Just these. Now, the way I purchased these, I uploaded a quick video of Klarna. So if you have not heard of Klarna, Klarna is like a buy now, pay later type of way to pay now. A lot of people are using it. I love it. I use it all the time. I don't have no shame in my game, okay? I don't. I'm going to use Klarna. I'm going to use Sizzle. I'm going to use Quad Pay. It's called Zip now. And I was online looking at, I can't think of the name of the site, but I'm going to have to go back. And there was another one, it's Citizen something. So I'm going to research that. And when I tell you, I love all of these buy now, pay laters. At the same time, you spending money, saving money, and you getting what you want right then and there. I mean, why wouldn't you? I mean, because if I would have put it on my credit card, put $620 on my credit card, then you're gonna add interest to it. So I would rather do the buy now, pay later than put it on my card. Or you can either save your money, save it up for 6 weeks, $100 a week, or whatever you want to do. I mean, that's up to you, whatever floats your boat. But I know Klarna floats my boat right now when it comes to my luxury items and the things that I want. So that's that. And split it up in 4 payments. You put 25% down your first payment, and then every 2 weeks another payment comes out. Now if you want to, you could do like I did. I mean, first payment, pay it, and then the next 2 weeks pay it off. I mean, it's just that simple. I mean, I don't understand what the problem is. So I mean, I got what I want and I still save money. So that's that on it. On these are the shoes that I purchased. So let's get into the styling. Okay, so the first look is with a pair of jeans and a sweater. This sweater I purchased from Nordstrom Rack, and this is a 360 sweater. Y'all not gonna believe how much I paid for this sweater. This sweater retail online. I checked it out before I purchased it, and I'm always doing that in the store. I'm doing comparative prices. So I compared the prices. I looked on the website, and it said that it was still online for $394. Y'all, I kept the tag on here until I got it because I did purchase this in the summertime earlier this year. Y'all, I got it for $5. I mean, that alone right there, $5. I mean, it's a steal. So I paired it with these Loft jeans. Y'all, Loft have some bomb jeans, okay? I mean, they are so comfortable. I mean, and they are here for the short people. I mean, I'm 5'4", okay? So these fit right at the top of the slipper. So a good look, very comfortable. So this is a look. It is so cute, so chic. And then I have my Gucci belt paired with it. So it's cute, y'all. And look at the detail of this sweater, y'all. Cable knit, and it is everything. I love it. So cute. Okay, so let's move on to the second outfit. Okay, y'all, so let me show y'all another sweater that I had and I did to pair this with. Y'all, this green with this brown, I mean, it is everything. And then I decided to put my Zara blazer that I just purchased. Decided to throw that on with it. Y'all, it is a look. It is giving. Let me look in the mirror and look at myself. Okay. Look at that. Real quick, effortless outfit that you can wear to the mall. You can wear it to dinner, you can wear it to lunch, you can wear it to brunch. It's cute. Real quick outfit. You don't even have to think about it. Throw it on and be ready to go. Zara is really doing it with their blazers this year. I mean, this blazer is everything. I got this blazer in the size medium, and it fits well. Even though I have on the sweater, it feels real good. It's very comfortable, still comfortable. I can still move in it. I got this belt on, so you want to be able to show. All your outfits.